Hello guys, my name is Donny Leonardi from ICE 2015. Recently, I just finished my thesis project about online quiz. Basically, this program is made using the PHP, HTML, JavaScript, and jQuery, which are the web programming language. And the aim of this program is to give an easier access and efficiency for lectures, to hold a quiz, and then of course, there are several features from the program itself, such as the upload functionality, random questions, and web statistic. And without further ado, let's do some demonstrations to illustrate the program. So basically, this one is the home page of the online quiz, and I would like to log in as a lecturer. So this one is lecture 2 underscore 2131 as the ID, and then the password. Yes. Before we log in, we need to change the roles from student to lecturer in order to log in. So it's processing, and this one is the home page for lecture menus. So this box illustrates all of the list quiz, yes, that has been input by the lectures, and this one is the name of the subject as concepts, and this one is the quiz name, quiz 1. So in order to add the quiz, lecturer needs to press this button, and then he or she needs to fill in all of the elements such as the quiz. Right now I want to input quiz 2 for course ID IF6093, and before we go on to the durations, so lecturer need to determine start quiz, so when they want to hold the quiz, and then they also need to determine or examine the end quiz. So in this case I want to put uh, 9 July 2015, 6 p.m., and then the end quiz will be around 6:30 p.m. So the duration will be 25 minutes, and then the minimum score. So this minimum score is very important for lectures because this one will determine uh, the minimum pass for students, so that the lecturer can analyze how many students pass or fail the quiz. So in this case, I would input 50 as the minimum score, and then the upload means lecturer needs to prepare. So before he or she add the quiz, so they need to create an Excel documents that contain all of the questions, including the right answers. Yes, and then this one is the Excel. I just put this one Excel S, yes, IS, and then press submit to add the quiz. And yeah, this one, it's working. Yeah, file uploaded. Okay. So for example, if you forgot something, like such as you made a wrong questions and you want to edit, you just press this button. This one is the edit button. So while you're pressing, there will be a same form, and then you cannot change this name and course ID because it's already locked. So you can only change the start quiz, and then end quiz, durations 25 minutes, and then minimum score. So 55, for example, or 40 minimum score, and then upload. So for example, if you are changing the document from the previous one into the new one, so the existing questions will be replaced with the new question, so you don't need to worry uh, if the question is still referring from the old one or the new one. Yes. So let me put IS. I'm using the same questions because it's already absolute questions. Submit. After that, still loading. Yes, this. And then for example, if you want to delete, yes, you can delete. You just press this button and then you just delete. And if you want, for example, if the lecturer wants to see the web statistic, they just press the view result, and then this one just choose the course ID and then quiz name and press submit. So this one is because we are using Flash and this plugin is still outdated, but so this one is the display for the overall questions. So how many students made mistakes or not. So you can see correct and incorrect. So yeah, I was doing the UAT with 19 students, and this one you can see. So this one is quiz number one, 13 student correct. So for example, if the lecturer wants to see the overall score, so the lecturer just press the download Excel. This download Excel will contain student grades, and if you can see the student grades, so it's already in the form of Excel. So you just waiting for okay. This one is the student grade. Okay, yeah, this one you can see this Albert got 91, Albert February got 66. Yes, and several students were absent, so only 19 students came to the class. Hey guys, this time I want to show you the student menu. So before you enter the student menu, you need to log in as a student. So this one is the account student underscore 02 and then password Binus as a default password. Login. So in the middle, you will see a box that will show the list of quiz that the student will have. Quiz number one and then quiz number two. And for quiz number one, why the student can do the quiz because the quiz is already exceeding the current time. So without further, let's just do the quiz number two. So there are 5 questions. So this one, if you want, you just choose which one is the best answer for you. For example, I just press question number one and then question number C and then number 3A, 4D, and then 5C. So for example, if you want to save your answer, you can save the answer by pressing save button, and then indeed the system will automatically randomize your questions. So if you want to change your actually if you want to change your previous answer with the new answer, you just press the option button, and then if you press save, the new answer will be replaced with the old answer that you choose, and then if you want to submit, just press submit, and the system will actually shows your score, which is 40. So if you want to check the mistake you made. You can press review button, so the system will actually shows your answers and the right answers. So basically that's all of my video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.